Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy SK taking you behind the trades. So today's trade was based off the key levels which I mentioned in my previous video. Make sure you check it out. Right off the bat, I see that market is bullish for the short term, but my bias is bearish. That means I am looking for market to go lower, but it is currently bullish. So I will have to look for where is it going before it goes lower. What's the draw on liquidity? Where can it get the juice to go lower? And it can only go one place to get that juice, which is higher. And if I check above our current price, the nearest draw on liquidity would be that fair value gap highlighted in green. And then as soon as it reaches that fair value gap, I would like to see signs of reversal and enter a short position. Please keep in mind that the time of this analysis was just after opening price, which was midnight New York. Big idea here would be that market would go higher into that fair value gap and then push back lower into that high time frame key level. So basically this is the big idea of the day, that market will go higher and then go lower. I did try to execute the going lower part, but then I did get stopped out. But I did not take it as if I was wrong. I just took it as a loss as it was. So I came back in the New York session to catch the continuation trade going down. And by the time I got in, structure had already changed. And we just had a lower high and a lower high consecutively, which would suggest that structure is now bearish, unlike in the morning where it was bullish. And if we zoom out, we will see that we have an ICT bearish breaker right here, just up where price rejected most recently. There is an ICT bearish breaker. So this is the idea for the trade, that price will trade lower into that fair value gap of the 1935 and 1940. This is the fair value gap I am targeting, just marking out the 50% of it. That is the level which I will take my first profit, which is 1938. So here I see that price wants to pull back into that breaker one more time. I allow for it because it's still valid. The trade is still valid so long as it's not above the breaker, right? So let me just move my stop loss. It was too tight, too close. It was below the breaker. And right here, I just want to note something as well, that price is still making lower highs, still suggesting that we're still bearish. So we can't even worry too much about this trade. It's showing good signs of rejection and continuation to the downside. So the only thing I modified was my short position and not actually the position which I was in. I got stopped out. I had to re-enter, but that was the perfect place to re-enter right there. And right here, market starts moving more aggressively to the downside, and yeah, I don't know, man, if there's a better feeling than this, besides obviously like the withdrawals. But when you see price action move like this and you're able to read it, it's really a great feeling. Yeah. Here market takes out that low, which I guess would be liquidity as well. Maybe there are people who are looking to buy here as well. So I just like to take off half of my position as market drops lower into the fair value gap. I don't like it to turn on me while I had the chance to take off some of my positions. So we backed up 10,400 ticks. I think that's pretty satisfactory. And that's what happened behind the trade. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and hit that sub button, turn on those notifications just in case I post a video that might assist you in your trading on the next trading day. That's it for me. SK47, you know what it is. Love, light, and healing. Thank you so much for watching the video.